Welcome to 15-minute morning yoga flow. This yoga sequence is suitable for all levels to gently stretch and wake up the whole body in the morning. We will begin standing at the top of the mat. You can keep your feet hip distance apart or together. See what feels better in your body. Rock back and forward a couple of times, finding a stable foundation for your feet. Lengthen the crown of the head up to the ceiling. Relax your shoulders down away from the ears. And begin to deepen your breath. Breathing deeply down into your belly. Breathing out from the belly. Preparing your breath and your body for the practice. Let's take one more big inhale through the nose. Slow exhale through the nose. On your next inhale, lift your arms, lift your chest and slightly lean back for standing back bend. Exhale, neutral spine. Inhale, reach your arms up, interlace the fingers, all except the pointy fingers. Exhale, bend to your right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the left side, stretching the right side of the body. Inhale, back to center, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees, relax your upper body and head. Inhale, lift your torso halfway up. Lengthen the spine, hands can be on the shins or on the thighs. Take another big inhale in half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend, knees can be bent. With inhale, roll up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands together in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your arms and chest, standing back bend. Exhale, back to a neutral spine. Interlace your fingers. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend, flat back. Exhale, full forward bend, relax the upper body. Press down through your feet to come up to standing. Reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, hands to the mat, step into plank, lower down your knees and the whole body down to the mat. Keep your hands next to your chest. With inhale, lift your upper body and legs off the mat. Exhale, release down. Two more like this. With inhale, lift your legs and upper body off the mat as high as you can. Exhale, release down. One more time, engage your back muscles. And exhale, release the body down. Tuck your toes in, press through your hands to come up to hands and knees, tabletop position. Wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips. A few rounds of cat and cow here. With inhale, drop the belly, pull your chest forward, look up. Exhale, round the back like a cat, drop your head down. Inhale, drop the belly, cow pose. Exhale, round the back, cat pose. One more on your own. And then come back to a neutral spine. Move your right foot out, place your left foot flat on the mat, and reach your left arm up and forward over your head for big side stretch. Breathe deeply into your left ribs, deepening that stretch. One more inhale here. Exhale back to tabletop position. Same on the other side, move your left foot out. Reach your right arm up and over the head, stretching the right side of the body. Another big inhale here. Exhale, come back to tabletop position. Tuck your toes in, lift your hips high for downward facing dog. Begin to walk your dog, stretching your legs one by one, sending the heels down to the ground, or do any other movement that feels good here in downward facing dog. Now look forward and step your right foot forward to your right thumb. Press down through your feet. With inhale, raise up into high lunge. Lift your arms. Exhale, sit a little deeper into high lunge to feel the stretch on the front of your left leg, on your hip flexors. Take another big inhale here. Exhale, lower down your left heel in line with the front heel. Open your arms to the sides for warrior two. Look forward over your front hand. Inhale, lift your back heel, turn to the front of the mat, high lunge. Exhale, drop your back knee down for low lunge. Untuck your back toes and send your hips down and forward so that you feel a deep stretch on the left hip flexors. Your hands can stay on the front thigh or the option to add back bend here. Lift your arms up as you inhale. With exhale, open your arms into cactus shape. Lift your chest a bit higher. Big stretch on the front body. One last big inhale here. Reach your arms up. Exhale, left hand down to the mat. On your next inhale, lift your right arm up and twist to the right. Inhale, rotate your chest a bit more up to the ceiling. Exhale, bring your right palm down to the mat. Tuck your back toes in, come to plank, and then lower your body down to the mat. With inhale, lift your upper body and legs off the mat. You can also lift your hands. Exhale, release everything down. Tuck your toes in, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Same on the other side. Step your left foot forward to your left thumb. Inhale into high lunge. Reach your arms up. Bend your front knee a little deeper so that it's right above your ankle. One more inhale in high lunge. Exhale, lower down the back heel, open your arms parallel to the ground, warrior two. On your next inhale, lift your back heel, high lunge. Exhale, drop the back knee down. Push your hips down, low lunge. Hands can stay on the thigh or at the back bend here. With inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, cactus your arms. Keep lifting your chest a little higher with each inhale, deepening the back bend. One last big inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, right palm down to the mat. Inhale, lift your left arm up, twist into the left. One last inhale here. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Step into plank and then lower your body down. Last time, lift your chest and legs. Exhale, lower down and come to downward facing dog. From here, walk your hands back towards your feet, coming into standing forward bend. Knees can stay slightly bent if the hamstrings still feel tight in the morning. Hug the opposite elbows, adding weight to the upper body. You can rock side to side or stay still, feeling the stretch on the back of the legs. Then slowly release your arms, turn your toes out and heels in, sit into deep squat. Bring your palms together in front of the chest and open your knees a bit wider with your elbows. Think of lengthening the spine with each inhale, trying to bring your chest closer to your thumbs. Now slowly release the pose and come to sit on your mat in cross-legged position. Place your right hand to your left knee. With inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to your left, looking over your left shoulder. On your next inhale, come back to center and switch sides. Left hand to your right knee. Lengthen as you inhale. Twist as you exhale. With your next inhale, come back to center. Relax your hands on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment. Notice how you feel after this yoga practice. Maybe you notice some differences in your body, in your breath, in your mind. Thank yourself for taking this time to practice and take good care of yourself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye!